Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Chris and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is staple foods on a plant-based diet. And real quick before we get started, I want to remind you that starting on Monday, November 9th, we're doing a 7-day plant-based challenge. So I'll be posting daily updates on how things are going, what I'm eating, maybe some recipes, things like that. So I encourage people to follow along if they're interested. And I look forward to hearing from you and how things will go with you. And if you have any questions or maybe you have a good recipe, just kind of updates on how you're doing on that. So let me know. That's going to start on Monday the 9th, so just a few days. And so making this video, these are some staples that I keep around. I've been doing plant-based for about 8 years. There's some things that I eat that aren't going to be on this video, but I'm going to mention them as well when I show you what I have, just because I did not have everything in stock at the time. But there's going to be 5 main food groups: fruits, vegetables, grains, beans, and then nuts and seeds. So those are the 5 main food groups on a plant-based lifestyle. And of course I do use spices, things like salsa, hot sauce, things like that as well. So with that being said, here is some of the staples.
Here are a bunch of the staples that I have on hand currently, and I'm going to show you some of these, and I'm also going to mention some other things that I didn't have at the time, but that I often use as well. So things like nuts, walnuts, almonds, mixed nuts. I have beans, black beans, any kind of beans. I have these Mary's crackers. That's a healthier brand of crackers. I have Dave's bread. I have nut butters like almond butter. I have jelly, quinoa, grains, brown rice. I have whole wheat pasta, marinara sauce, cacao powder, which I use in my smoothies, salsa, ketchup and mustard, hot sauce, potatoes, sweet potatoes. I have fruits like apples, bananas, grapes, but I recommend whatever's in season. I have raisins, dried fruit, dates, raisins. I have oats, oatmeal, and then of course things for salads like celery, cucumber. I have frozen things as well, like frozen mixed vegetables. Those are good to have on hand. Frozen blueberries, frozen pineapple, great for smoothies. Of course, seeds like chia seeds. I use hemp seeds. I have green juice, almond milk, whatever kind of plant milk you like. I have nutritional yeast. And the cereal, Ezekiel cereal, is one of my favorite. I have green powdered herbs and superfoods like from Dr. Morse, Superfoods by Nature. So these are just a bunch of examples of I have. I also recommend vegetable broth, spices, and that's about all I can think of. And make sure you have a blender and a juicer if you want to do those things as well.
And I forgot to mention on that video, greens, but it's pretty obvious to make salads. Things like broccoli, kale as well. So that's pretty much the main foods that I eat, at least for the most part that I can think of on this video. Let me know if I missed some things, that if you're eating plant-based, that I may have missed some things there. So thanks for watching everyone. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Give a thumbs up if you like this stuff, and we'll see you soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.